Hey, how's it going, folks? ET here with another DaVinci Resolve tutorial. And this one's going to be a really quick one. In today's tutorial, I want to show you how to add some saturation to your video. This video I took here was on a sunny day in my living room, my dining room, with the blinds open. But the only thing is I wanted to make the video pop better because it's not really getting the full color that I wanted it to get, showing off this ocean blue Japanese PlayStation 2. So what you're going to do is you're going to highlight your video here and you're going to go down to color at the bottom. And once you go down to color, in the bottom left corner, you'll see saturation. So right now it's set to 50. And what I'm going to do is actually click on it and hold. Or you can type in a value if you'd like, click and type a value. And I'm going to drag it to the right to slowly add more saturation to the video. And what I'll do is purposely oversaturate it so you can actually see the difference. So I'm going to go up to like 97 on saturation. And you'll see it just really became super contrasty, super vivid, whatever you want to call it, but super saturated basically. So now let's go back to our editing timeline here. Go back to edit here. And you can have a before and an after look at it. So before, kind of flat, very, meh looking video content. Second one is way oversaturated, but it might be something that you're looking for. Let me go back to color. I think it's a little bit too saturated there. So I'm at 97. Maybe I'll kick it down to like 75 or 80. Maybe 80. Yeah, 80 looks better. So again, clicking on the color, we'll click back to edit here. And we'll do a little compare of the left, which is the same footage. The only difference is I added a little saturation. And it's really making the video pop. And you can actually see the kind of true colors of the ocean blue PS2. Okay, that's all I wanted to show you for the video. DaVinci Resolve is a very complex application, but I figured if I did a bunch of short, relatively easy tutorials, we all can kind of learn this really complex application together. Okay, I think that's it for today. As usual, thanks. And don't forget, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, all that jazz. And as usual, peace and aloha. See you next time.